Alright, what's up everybody? So, as many of you probably have encountered, matches that you leave in the cardboard box get wet, they get soggy, and eventually they just don't work anymore. So, today I'm going to be showing you a way to keep these matches crisp, clean, and ready to use. This can be used in a bug out bag, or just be put out by your barbecue because you're tired of having to buy new matches. So, what you're going to need for this project is a large box of matches. You're going to need some glue sticks, and you're going to need a small mason jar with the lid. As always, check in the description below. I've got links to everything you could need for this project. Once you have everything, you can get started. So the first thing you're going to do is take the top off your mason jar. Now, the inside of this lid is going to come off in a flat little piece like that. So you're going to take your box of matches, and you're going to take a knife or scissors or whatever you happen to have around, and you're going to cut off a piece of the friction strip that allows the matches to start. So basically, you're going to want a piece that's going to go over the inside of your lid here. So I'm just going to cut off a strip of it. Alright, so you're going to end up with a piece of friction paper about this size. So you're going to take one of your glue sticks, and you're going to put a healthy dose on the back, and make sure that this is on the inside of the jar lid. It's not on the outside. You want the friction paper on the inside. So once you got a good amount of glue on your thing there, you're simply going to stick your friction paper down. Alright, so you get your friction paper on the inside. Now you're simply going to take your matches and you're going to put them inside your jar. Alright, so once you got your matches inside your jar and you've got your friction paper stuck on the inside, you're pretty much finished. The beauty of this is that now you have your friction paper and you have your matches, but it's all watertight and sealed up. Now that I've got the lid on, I could literally drop this in a lake and this would not ruin the matches. And when I'm ready to go, all I have to do is unscrew the lid, and I've got my friction paper right there, and I've got my matches right here. Well, there you go. That is a super quick and easy way to make your matches waterproof and to get them ready for any kind of situation, whether that's survival or barbecuing. If you found this video helpful, check out my channel. I got all kinds of other fun project ideas. Hit that subscribe button and have a great day.